Hi guys, my name's Dave. Last week we carved a saloon sign. This week, being Memorial Day weekend, I thought it was appropriate to make a sign to support the military that it serves. This is what I came up with. If you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. Please. Okay, I've sanded it real good, blew it off real good and everything. Now I've got me some men wax. I'm not just going to use the natural on this poplar. Since I got all this color on here, I don't want it to contrast too much here. I'm just going to put me some natural on it. It'll give just a natural sheen to it. Still having a problem with it bleeding around the black. It bleeds around the black more than it does these other colors. Got to figure out something to do about that. Okay, we'll let that sit on there for a few minutes and we'll lop off the excess. Okay, I've brushed on a coat of men wax clear gloss finish on it. We're going to let this set overnight and see if we need to put some more on it. I think the sign come out pretty good. It's remembering those who serve. I'll give some give all. Gone but never forgotten. Memorial Day. You know, we take a lot of things for granted in this country, but we need to remember those who served and some that never come back. Thanks for watching.